Have you ever felt like you're constantly rushing, constantly thinking, and constantly carrying the weight of everything and everybody around you? If so, you are not alone. Many women I know spend so much time taking care of others that stress becomes their normal. And if you're looking for simple wellness, faith filled encouragement, and practical support for navigating midlife, be sure to subscribe because that's exactly what we talk about here at Gracefully Gritty. The truth is, many of us don't even realize how stressed we are anymore. We're juggling responsibilities, caring for family members, managing schedules, solving problems, and trying to keep everything moving forward. We tell ourselves we're just busy, but often we are carrying far more stress than we realize. And eventually, our body began to let us know that. Stress doesn't always show up as feeling anxious. Sometimes it shows up as exhaustion, poor sleep, brain fog, irritability, and feeling overwhelmed by things that we never used to bother us before. Your body is constantly communicating with you. The question is, are you listening? One of the biggest lessons I've learned on my wellness journey is that we don't always need a complete overhaul. Sometimes we simply need to create small moments of change throughout the day. A small deep breath, a short walk outside, a refreshing glass of water, 5 quiet minutes without your phone, television, or to-do list. Those small moments may not seem like much, but they can have a powerful impact over time. And if this message resonates with you, I would love for you to subscribe. We have a lot more conversations ahead about energy, stress, midlife wellness, and creating a healthier, more balanced life. I want to leave you with this thought. Your body is not failing you. It's communicating with you, and sometimes the most powerful thing we can do is slow down long enough to listen to what it is saying to us. Until next time, remember, wellness doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes it begins with a single pause, a deep breath, and a willingness to listen to what your body has been trying to tell you all along. If this message resonated with you, I would love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more.